This joiner is old. It comes with old wood shavings and also sticky sap buildup. So today, come along with me as we restore it. I bought this joiner off Facebook Marketplace and hauled it out of a basement shop on a rainy day, which explains the rust and the dirt. The joiner was made in 1986 by Delta and Ficta. The original motor is a 1.5 horsepower 230-volt motor, but over the year the original owner replaced the motor with a newer 1.75 horsepower motor wired to 220 volt. To move this joiner, we took out the cover, the fans, and separated the body from the stand. I can tell you though, it's still heavy as f, and my back is still sore thinking about it. Okay, we are going to disassemble the joiner, clean it up, reassemble, and then tune it up. Chop chop, let's go! We are really close to the finish line here. Just need to make sure that the fence is good on the outfeed side and also on the infeed side. And it seems like we're ready for our first cut. For our first cut, we're going to use walnut because that's the offcut that I have. And you guys can hear how smooth it is. Well, that is one smooth, sexy piece of wood. You know what else is sexy? Let's roll some beauty clip. Thanks for watching, guys.